Today we're diving into the dynamic world of financial trading. It's a vast field with many approaches, each suited to different personalities and goals. We'll break down the most common types of trading, explain what they entail, and help you figure out which style might be best for you. Let's get started. First, let's look at day trading. This is perhaps the most active style. Day traders buy and sell financial instruments, often stocks, currencies, or commodities within the same trading day. They aim to profit from small price movements, often making dozens or even hundreds of trades before the market closes. All positions are typically closed out by the end of the day to avoid overnight risks. Day trading is for highly disciplined individuals who can dedicate significant time to monitoring markets, react quickly to information, and manage risk diligently. If you thrive under pressure, have strong analytical skills, and can commit to market observation, day trading could be for you. Next, we have swing trading. This style involves holding positions for a few days to several weeks, aiming to capture short to medium-term price swings. Swing traders typically use technical analysis to identify potential entry and exit points, capitalizing on trends and reversals. Unlike day traders, they don't need to monitor the markets constantly throughout the day, allowing for more flexibility. Swing trading suits those who prefer a less intense pace than day trading, but still want active involvement. If you enjoy chart analysis, can be patient for trends to develop, and want a balance between quick action and longer holding periods, swing trading might be a good fit. Then there's position trading. This is a long-term approach where traders hold positions for months or even years. Position traders focus heavily on fundamental analysis, looking at a company's financial health, industry trends, and macroeconomic factors rather than daily price fluctuations. They aim to profit from major long-term trends. Position trading is ideal for patient individuals with a strong belief in their long-term market outlook. If you prefer a less hands-on approach, have a long investment horizon, and prioritize fundamental research over short-term noise, position trading could be your path. Another popular style is scalping. This is an extreme form of day trading. Scalpers execute numerous trades, often within seconds or minutes, aiming to profit from tiny price discrepancies. They make very small profits on each trade, but do it repeatedly throughout the day. Scalping requires extremely fast execution, advanced trading platforms, and an exceptional ability to react to real-time market data. This is for the most aggressive and hyper-focused traders who can handle intense pressure and rapid decisions. If you have lightning-fast reflexes and want to capitalize on the smallest market movements, scalping could be a challenging but potentially rewarding endeavor. Finally, let's consider algorithmic trading, also known as algo trading. This involves using computer programs to execute trades based on predefined rules and strategies. Algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data and execute trades at speeds far beyond human capability, often seeking out small price inefficiencies or following specific trends. While often associated with institutional investors, retail traders can also use algorithmic tools. Algo trading is for those with programming skills, a strong understanding of quantitative analysis, and a preference for systematic, automated approaches. If you're technically inclined, enjoy developing strategies, and want to remove emotional bias from your trading, algorithmic trading might pique your interest. Choosing the right financial trading style depends entirely on your personality, risk tolerance, time, availability, and capital. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's crucial to educate yourself, practice with demo accounts, and start small. Understand that all forms of trading involve risk, and capital can be lost. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video.